What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm gonna unbox and do a first impression of Desora's Oasis Mist. Now this is a wonderful fragrance as per many people who have used it and reviewed it. The notes caught my attention and I was really interested because the first time when I purchased Midnight Gold, this was a wonderful, super potent, powerful fragrance full of citruses, very zesty, very lively. So here's the package. And again, guys, this is not a sponsored content, so make sure you are subscribed and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Desora Oasis Mist. The packagings are really nice, like the presentation, the outer box and everything, it's very nice. Like they feel very premium to the touch. Look at this. It opens like a book and there's the bottle. I'll just hold it just in case. It's a silver bottle this time. Beautiful. Definitely gonna be a fingerprint magnet. I hope there was no leakage. Yep, no leakage, all good. Look at this wonderful bottle. Desora Oasis Mist. Wonderful. Let me just hold the other bottle side by side. Midnight Gold, Oasis Mist. So before I spray it and experience this wonderful fragrance, let me tell you about the notes. So on the top you've got kumquat, lemon, cardamom, pineapple, apple, and pink pepper. A lot of citruses, juicy fruits on the top. On the mids you've got lavender, apricot, juniper, orange blossom, and melon. Interesting. A lot of juicy, succulent counterparts on the mids too. And on the base you have ambergris, tonka bean, toffee, amberwood, and vetiver. Wow. So almost sounds like a gourmand kind of fragrance. Let's go ahead, spray this baby, and find out what Oasis Mist is all about. They do come in a very heavy cap and a magnetic cap too, so that's a very nice touch. Let's go ahead and spray this baby. Let's see what Oasis Mist smells like. The atomizer is very nice. Does it smell like something? So far, I can't recall of anything. Like last time when I did a first impression of this one, and then I recall like this one smelled something different. But then I recalled it smelled pretty close to Barara Viking Dubai. But this one has its own twist. Like they are not exactly similar, but they do their own things. But this is really nice. Oasis Mist. It has this nice sweetness, a lot of fruits. The juniper berry kind of like gives you that spicy, woody kind of vibe besides giving you that fruity flavor too. Like it's like that fleshy kind of texture. The citruses are pretty prominent. If you're talking about the pineapple, I don't get the pineapple directly. It's more like, it almost has that mild acidic kind of zing to it. It's sweet though, not overly done, but I don't know if it's gonna become too cloying or too sweet down the line. But again, this is only the first impression, and guys, remember, this is not a sponsored content. It's very nice, like almost has this nice cooling kind of sensation you're getting. It's almost like a wonderful freshly cut fruit basket. The apricot, it's almost like a dry fruit kind of apricot. It's not your regular, not the raw thing. It's that dried kind of vibe. Some kind of melon kind of vibe coming through. Maybe the melon's probably gonna open up later down the line, but up top, it's very juicy. Something that's perfect for hot summer days. And of course, like because I can already feel it's very potent, like it's really coming through, and I'm pretty sure this can be rocked in the dead of winter too. Some woody nuances coming through too. I mean, the ambergris they mentioned here, I'm pretty sure this is not your actual ambergris thing. It's most likely the ambroxan that's being used. So again, guys, if you're not a big fan of ambroxan, maybe you want to stay away from this because dose seems pretty high. But for me, like I personally like that thing. I enjoy using ambroxan or ambergris, whatever it is, the authentic one or the artificial one. I mean, this one's smelling really good. something definitely worthy during the spring to summer, like very high heat kind of situation. This thing's gonna shine. Very nice. Like these are available for, I bought it during their Black Friday sale, which was like I think $80. Usually they go for 90 bucks on their website. Like as of now, the recording of this video, they are going for 90 bucks US. Wonderful. Like this is another wonderful blind buy. So 2 Desora fragrances, Midnight Gold, and this is Oasis Mist. Loving this one. I will get back to you with a full review once I've done several full wearings, because the weather's pretty chilly here in New York, and of course it's gonna get colder. So I will have a better understanding of how this behaves, how Oasis Mist behaves in the cooler months. Like summertime, hot weather, this thing's gonna shine. I can tell right away. Beautiful. Really loving it. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying on my channel. And if this is your first time visiting, like I said, if you have made it this far, please consider subscribing and hitting the thumbs up button if you like contents like this. This was an unboxing and first impression of Oasis Mist from Desora Fragrances, not a sponsored content. So until the next one, guys, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.